Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily do a soft reset of your BOSE A30 Aviation headset. So here, as you can see, we do have power button. We have to click this power button to turn off our headphones, and now after 10 to 20 seconds we can turn on our headphones back again. This procedure is called a soft reset because every single module in our headphones will be resetted, not of course deleted and downloaded again, but only turned off and booted up again. Now we can turn on our headphones using just a simple click, and everything should be fine now. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.